Hi, welcome to my channel. This channel is against the Big Bang. I am telling you that the Big Bang is false. We cannot see this term that you are, all of you are saying. The universe. We cannot see. The universe is not the sun or these galaxies. These galaxies are clouds, small clouds. Okay, so if you know in each video, I come from other videos, I'm a little bit sick, like cold. Okay, so I cut from other videos and for exemplification, Brian Greene Wolf Science Festival about the thematics, universe, we cannot see the universe. Okay, so watch.
Spirits. Hindu creation stories invoke an unusual blooming lotus that is split into the heavens, the sky, and the earth. And of course, Genesis declares the answer in the most familiar of all biblical phrases, in the beginning. Now, what's remarkable, truly remarkable, is that starting in the first decades of the 20th century, we've been able to pursue theories of creation scientifically. The pivotal moment came with Einstein's discovery of the general theory of relativity, whose final equations he announced to the world in 1915. And shortly thereafter, through the hands of the Russian scientist Alexander Friedmann and the Belgian priest Georges Lemaitre, those equations were wielded to conclude that the universe should be expanding or contracting.
Okay, if you see this, Alan Good is going to be not knowing what gravity is. Okay, let me tell you like this. Matter is made with light. This paper, you see, falls down, you see, like with mass, because the mass is waved. There are few matters inside it. That's why I brought this piece of wood, like a kilogram mass from European Union. I have 44 years old, okay? So how the mass is created? If you see a rock of or a metal, is made with light. You cut it, you see light, you shine light. But if you understand what better, if you do not believe this from this wood, this only has mass because it is intersected like with light and fire. Both of these matters are going upwards if you let them. Okay, so I prove to you that it is made with light. Okay, so the science is wrong. I'm telling you. You see. You burn it, you set it on fire, okay, and the fire goes up and it decomposes in light. You see, it's made with light, this wood. So now if I'm telling you I have a fireplace, okay, I have a fireplace and I burn like 1 metric tons of wood like this, and a fireplace, the way I keep myself warm, okay. So you can obtain only like a bucket of ashes like this. This falls down from a metric ton, like 1,000 kilograms like this, 1,000 pieces like this. You only obtain a bucket of material that falls down. Okay, so why has this if you scale it, why has this? If it only from a metric ton of 1,000 kilograms, you only obtain 10 kilograms of ashes that falls down. Everything it goes up. Everything else like this, okay, it goes up. Okay, so you do not understand that a rock is made identically like this. With fire is a matter, and light has intersected light in it. Okay, light is energy. So and gravity. So watch another part from Brian Greene World Science Festival. That Einstein bullshit. Everything that Einstein said is wrong. Okay, that Einstein is wrong physics. Okay, so watch another part from Brian Greene, and I will explain to you more.
Okay, well, you said flatness first, so I guess I'll choose flatness. Flatness refers to the geometry of the universe. Flat means Euclidean. It doesn't mean two-dimensional, of course. And the point is that general relativity allows the possibility of curved three-dimensional spaces. The universe, according to general relativity, has the possibility of being closed, like the surface of a sphere, or open, which means curved in the opposite direction, which is harder to visualize. Something like saddle-shaped is often used as an analogy. What we know is that the universe today, in fact, looks incredibly flat, incredibly close to Euclidean geometry, and that becomes more and more emphatic as we project backwards in time using the equations of motion that we think describe the universe. So this issue becomes most acute at very early times, and in particular, if we calculate back to what the universe looked like at 1 second after the instant of creation, at that time, the universe needed to have exactly the right mass density, which controls the geometry.
So now if you do not understand, Newton did not make some rockets, von Braun did them. And they do not understand still at this hour, even Elon Musk or something, that they go with fire. Fire goes up. So this is the way I make the videos, you see. Fire goes up and they do not understand. They are believing they are creating some force. But it is created through power of fire. They ignite and blow at the ass of an engine, of rocket engine. Fire, okay? Fire goes up. So if you see, fire goes up. You see, matter, you see, goes up, you see. So in International Space Station, it gathers together like in a sphere. But here on Earth, it goes up. So it is intersected with light, you see, and it pulls light with it. So in this manner, it makes a field. You understand that the matter is made with light and gravity, it is light. So you cannot bend it or like this, okay? So if you see this object falls down, you see, because it's made with light. Look, so if I burn it, set it on fire, you see light, you see, and some fumes, they all of them go up. So now I'm telling you why they are falling down like this. This is similar, 1 kilogram, you see, heavy. You see, so why this is falling down? But if you set it on fire, 90%, 99% of it will go up. So you understand what gravity is on Earth. Not like Newton said, not like Einstein said. They are trying to calculate in some. Newton did not put you on orbit. Some guys with power, much more money. Okay, so if you do not understand, they do not know what gravity is. So they lie on entire planet and stuff. Okay, so so you understand like this. Light, there is a light field like this. Gravity is that light field, but it not bends, it not curves, it does not do it like this. And I'm telling you again, what is the speed of light? Let me pull out the piece of paper. What is the speed of light in this paper of light? You do not believe there is light? I set it on fire. I release light from it. So what is the speed of light? Do you really believe that this goes with speed of light like this and makes the paper with 300? So there is not a. So what keeps it like it? The light goes like this, like with 3,000 kilometers per hour. I'm telling you, even if you will say like this, I'm telling you that does not. Light, it makes the matter, okay? So watch another part from Brian again. I agree. I'll explain to you more what gravity is, okay?
Okay. Other problem, the horizon problem. Just give us a sense of what that is.
Sense of disaster. So you had a big bang and something banged, and the idea of the old theory was like that. Look at the universe right now. Well, let's go to the past. In the past, it was small because now we know that it grows. So in the past, it was smaller, smaller, smaller. Take all the universe that we see right now. The idea of the original theory was that all particles which exist right now, almost all of them were created from the very beginning. the whole universe consisted of practically the same number of particles that we have right now, maybe like one order of magnitude smaller, but we have about 10 to the 90, 10 to the degree 9, oh my God, big number, particles right now. So we compress them all, and then when their density becomes greater than something which is called Planckian density, we cannot describe the universe with our normal tools. If we would, then we would say it emerged from a singularity. If we would come as close as we can and still say something semi-sensible but weird, then it is Planckian density.
Okay, if you watch that, I'm a little bit cold, I told you. Matter is made with light. Metals also. Light, it is electricity, and does not have a speed. So what Einstein did, if you saw that formula on C square, C of 4 power, at 4 power, so 300,000 kilometers per second of the 4th power, if the light does not have a speed. Look, you do not believe that Einstein was stupid? Look. And you put everybody like an idol, like a demonic praising. Praise Einstein. What is the speed of light here? Before I release it, you deny there is light in this paper. So now you see light is released, and the fire pulls the light with it. You see, and goes upward. So I'm telling you, there is some disconnected like hooks like this, like in a magnetic manner. Maybe you understand. Magnetism is also light, and through all the matter is disconnected. Like that's why it goes well through walls, like the signal, TV signals and things like this, because it is disconnected. The mass is disconnected at some hooks, like, and the light pulls it, like goes through there and pulls it down. You see, so but when you invert these hooks, the light escapes, and it goes with for fire like this. This is proof to you that it is the fire. It is in a space, it gathers like a sphere. So it proves to you that the fire, you see, and matter is made with light. We feel with light like this. There's all senses, the smell, all the senses are made with light. Okay, almost everything is made with light. So I'm telling you that these galaxies are simply clouds, if you believe or not. The universe, you do not see the universe, and you are tricked. So Bill Brian Greene make me equation spanning 100,000 years, like from a center. You see, like you say that the galaxies are this big. So if the light has a speed and goes from here to here in 100,000 years, you make the equations. So light diminishes with distance, like this only. That's the only proof, because it is an entangled field. It is produced by this cloud, the Ball galaxy. The stars are small, they are not like our sun. Okay, this is a star, a collection of stars. These black stuff are some clouds. Matter does not illuminate if you not shine light on it. Okay, the stars are small, like very, very, very small. You can put one and bring it in your pocket, and we can go to these clouds. They are in this current day. They are not from 1,000 years. They are putting clouds. They extract light like a hydrocentric power plant or lightning, produce light from a cloud of water, and they are alimentated. You can pull one from this. These are blocked. And you see, even the fuel goes up. Okay, and you can pull one and put it in your pocket. We cannot see the universe. This was like a cosmos in universe. That's why in the Bible, Brian Greene starts in the beginning God created the heavens and earth. So or the sky in Romanian is not heaven, like heaven has another connotation, but in Romanian is like the skies and the earth. It is not mentioning you the universe only once. Do not mention the universe only once in a Solomon book. Okay, So only skies and earth, skies and earth. That's why, because we cannot see the universe where the angels are. Okay, so they are not here, they are not going like in these clouds. We can go in current day, actually current day, they are close. Light diminishes with distance. The light is entangled, it does not have a speed. But this does like this. It is diminishes with distance. This is the proof that they are close, okay? The light does not have has a speed, it's also light, okay? Okay. So this is how mass is. If you understand, if a rock even is made with light, light has tones, levels, like you said about the electrons and waves, matter with fire, and the mass is created in a field of light. The light is produced by these clouds, exactly, converging the sun, ignites the sun, and the sun is plugged, alimentated. Okay, and the stars do not produce flames. And goodbye, God bless. This is what I wanted to tell you. I am a little bit sick. This is the way I made the videos. I cut from other videos only for exemplification. They are saying that, but I'm telling you that they are wrong. Okay, so you cannot inflate nothing to pull out some equation of inflation if you do not. If the gravity is not attraction, does not attract anywhere. Gravity, okay, is like if you make it to do like this, attracts, okay, is because it is light, can reject, like in magnetism is also light, all the senses, I very like the touch with levels, tones of light, okay, so the hearing and all the senses. Okay, but okay, this is all I wanted to tell you in this video. Light, it is gravity. You cannot bend it. You cannot. Einstein said that. Some bendings of real matter, like you bend a mirror. Okay, so there are some zones, and that are tricks like R mu V 1.5 are tricks. Okay, or C or 4 power. I've told you light does not have even a speed. So you put 3,000 kilometers per second at 4 power. You understand this is wrong, okay? So you praise Einstein, praise all these guys are tricking all the planet, okay? For another 100,000 years, if you want. Einstein is false physics. We can go to the stars. The stars are closed. They're not like our sun. We cannot see the universe. Our galaxy is a sphere surrounded by. It's not a spiral. That spirals are clouds. It's surrounded by clouds like this. They're not solid states. Clouds like a nice sky, like shock the stars. And okay, so we cannot see the universe beyond this, but we can go to the stars. Now is the time to colonize the planet. Goodbye, God bless, only good. This is the video for today. Light it is, and you can bend it, you can curve it, you can on a surface. Okay, not because Einstein said so. Okay, goodbye, God bless, only good. Gravity, it is light.